My name is Peter Szabó from Lightware, Hungary. This is a demonstration of a simple meeting room. This is a model of a meeting room, and we are introduced here the LARA room automation system. It means this is a empty room. Now we enter the room, we switch off the room PC, and the screen goes up. And after a few seconds, when it boots up, the projector turns on, and we can use this camera for a meeting. That is the first step. If somebody brings your laptop and he would like to present from his laptop, just to connect the USB-C cable into this laptop, and the automation system detects there is a new hardware in the room, and it will switch off on to the new laptop and share with this laptop this camera as well. And after that, we finish the meeting, plug off the laptop, it switch to the room PC again. And after leaving the meeting room, we switch off this computer also, and the meeting room switch off, and the meeting has ended. So there are some features here, the control panels. We've got two kinds of control panel at the moment. This is an analog, or let's say the old one, and this is the touch panel version of that. It works synchronized together. There are some features for volume control or whatever you need. That's it in a short way. Website. You can get this feature on our website, lightware.com.